how to cancel X Premium subscription. Now, if you're going to be doing this via the mobile device, the actual process is still the same. The first things first is pull up your X Twitter or your X Premium account, and then make sure that you logged in. In here, what you're gonna do is to click or tap on more, which is usually located at the left side portion. Click on that, and then just simply go into settings and privacy. And from here, you will be given out multiple options, but on your right side, you will also see your account information. Now just simply hover your mouse into premium and simply click on that. Now, if you haven't subscribed to their premium, you will be given a lot of options to subscribe and also additional features. Just go back and then go into creator subscriptions. Now, if you subscribe to premium once again, you will have an option here that says manage subscription or manage creator sub. From here, just simply click on manage subscription and then cancel the X premium. And that's pretty much it. That's how you cancel your X premium subscription.